You've learned how scammers think and where they strike. Now, it's time to take that knowledge and turn it into action by learning how to defend yourself every day. Staying scam-free isn't about luck. It's about smart habits that make you aware, cautious, and confident when something suspicious comes your way. Let's start with awareness. Scammers evolve constantly, and so should your defenses. Taking just a few minutes each week to scan cybersecurity updates or internal company alerts can help you spot new threats before they reach your inbox. When you know what's trending, you can recognize red flags faster. Next, expand your protection to include your network. Talk to your coworkers, friends, and family when you spot new scams. The more people who can identify a suspicious message, the fewer chances scammers have to succeed. Creating a culture of communication where everyone reports and verifies can turn a single defender into a vigilant team. Now comes verification. Don't click links within messages or share information right away. Instead, double check. If your bank emails you, call the number on your card. If your boss texts asking for gift cards, reach out directly through a known contact, or better yet, in person. Taking a few minutes to confirm can save you hours of cleanup later. Let's talk about strengthening your defenses. Use a password manager to securely store and generate passwords for you. And of course, always use multi-factor authentication when possible. In addition, keep your devices and digital habits up to date. Run software updates, yes, but also check your app permissions and browser extensions. Many scams use piggyback tactics through outdated add-ons or old app logins. Cleaning up old accounts and limiting data access helps seal the digital gaps scammers often slip through. Digital protection is also about keeping your personal details safe. Limit how much you share online. Details like your birthday, pet's name, or job title can give scammers everything they need to tailor a convincing attack. Finally, report and reinforce. When you catch a scam attempt, don't just delete it. Notify your company, platform, or email provider. That data helps strengthen the filters that protect everyone else. Scammers will keep adapting, but so will you. Every time you double-check through another channel or share a new scam alert, you're setting the standard for cyber awareness across your organization.